Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a grid with little to no measuring. All you need is a ruler or a straight edge and a writing utensil. Preferably, I would want y'all to be using a pencil and draw lightly so that you can erase your grid marks afterwards, but I'm going to be using a pen so that my marks can show better. So the first step that you need to do is make sure your picture is the same size or proportional to your work surface, your paper. So these are both 8.5 by 11, but if I had my picture or my image could be 4.25 by 5.5 if I wanted to, or double that size. It just has to be the same ratio or proportion. So first off, I am going to draw a line from corner to corner on my paper on both sides. I'm creating one big X corner to corner. What that does is it just helps me find my center, and I have my bisecting my halfway lines marked already. So it does create, you need to do a little bit of measuring if you want to be more precise. So I'm making sure I have my marks lined up against my ruler so that I know that I'm drawing my lines perpendicular or in a 90-degree angle. Oops. Make sure you hold your ruler down right, or straight edge right, so it doesn't slip like I did. So now I have 4 rectangles that are proportional to my paper. So each of these rectangles are going to be 4.25 by 5.5. So then, but as you can see, I have these divided. Each of these rectangles are divided, so I can repeat this process as many times as I like until I have small enough units that I want. So I'm gonna again make the whoops. I'm going to make my X, and then I have my center lined up. I'm gonna repeat that again. I'm going to change rulers here. Maybe it's a little smaller. So again, and then make sure to line up your dots so you have a straight line, straight 90-degree line. And repeat. Okay, and now I have a 4x4 grid again. So if I wanted to match up with my source image here, I'm just gonna divide this up one more time. Again, I'm just splitting up my units right here into 4s. And then once you break down your units some more, you can kind of go from farther corners to each other. So all of these are going to be now bisected. So now I have a lot more lines I can use. And there you go. Now my grids match up. As you can see, there's some little imperfections here and there. That's okay if our lines are a little wobbly, but this will be less precise than measuring out square units using a ruler and measuring everything out. But this is a fast and easy way to get a grid on your service image and your paper with little to no measuring.